Hi guys, this is John from Meatgistics University, and this is Jerky 101, What is Jerky? Jerky is a meat product that's been processed, seasoned, cured, and then cooked or dried. Drying and curing meat is one of the oldest ways to preserve meat, and it's been around for thousands of years. It is typically made from low-fat content pieces or pieces that have had the fat trimmed off. Jerky still needs to be cooked to 160 degrees internal temperature to kill off any harmful bacteria. Before you begin, an important thing to know is that you're going to lose somewhere between 50 and 75% of your product weight. So if you start with 10 pounds of eye of the round, you might end up with as little as 2.5 pounds of jerky by the time everything's been cooked and dried. Now it comes in two main varieties. You've got restructured or whole muscle jerky. Restructured jerky is meat that's gone through a grinding plate, had seasoning and cure mixed in, and then formed into strips for cooking and drying. This is often what you see sold in stores, and it generally has a little bit higher moisture content to it, so it's going to be a little bit more tender. Now, whole muscle jerky is just meat that's been sliced into strips somewhere between 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, then coated on all sides with a mixture of seasoning and cure. Once that's done, it's then placed in a plastic bag with just enough water to cover all the strips and held in the refrigerator for 12 hours. Or when it's done commercially, they'll put it in a vacuum tumbler. It's then cooked and sometimes dehydrated, though this is not always an ideal way to make jerky, as again, you need to get it over 160 degrees to kill any bacteria that's present. If you dehydrate it before killing off the bacteria, it's going to make it harder to kill that bacteria as you have made that heat resistant. Either way you decide to make it, jerky is a great way to use more of the animal, preserve your meat for easy consumption, and as a bonus, it gives you a wide range of flavor profiles. I mean, we have everything from Colorado seasoning, which is really basic but good, to things like habanero lime that are just out there crazy but still delicious. We'll have future jerky classes on the best cuts to use, the equipments that you're going to need, and how to actually process whole muscle jerky. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Meatgistics University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.